Welcome to Agentic AI Explained, where we go beyond chatbots to explore how real AI systems work in production.
Many systems today are called agentic because they connect tools and automate tasks. They run workflows, call APIs, and move forward without constant human input. From the outside, this looks like autonomy. Things happen automatically, and results show up quickly. Because action is visible, it gets confused with intelligence. But doing things is not the same as deciding things. A system can execute hundreds of steps and still never make a real decision. That confusion is where the problem starts. Automation works best when conditions are stable. Goals are fixed. Inputs are clean. The workflow follows a predictable path. In those situations, automated systems behave consistently. That consistency feels intelligent. The system looks like it knows what it is doing. But nothing is being reconsidered along the way. The system is not checking whether the goal still makes sense. It is simply following instructions that were set earlier. As long as nothing changes, automation looks like agency. Automation breaks down when uncertainty shows up. Automated systems are designed to continue once they are triggered. They do not pause to rethink intent. They do not stop when inputs are unclear. They do not refuse to act. If something goes wrong, they usually retry. This is not a bug. It is how automation works. The system assumes the original goal is still correct. When conditions change, that assumption quietly turns into risk. The difference between automation and agentic systems shows up here. Automated systems move forward by default. Agentic systems slow down when they need to. They recheck goals. They look at context. They treat failure as a signal, not something to hide with retries. Control is designed into the system instead of assumed. This difference is hard to see in demos, because uncertainty is removed. In production, it becomes the difference between stability and gradual failure. Most teams miss this line because demos reward completion. If the task finishes, the system is considered successful. Speed matters more than judgment. Uncertainty is hidden or removed. Human oversight exists informally, even if it is not part of the design. These conditions make automation look good. The problem appears later, when the system runs continuously, at scale, without people watching every step. That is when missing decision boundaries start to matter. The real difference is simple. Automation executes. Agents decide. Agency is not about doing more things. It is about knowing when not to act. Restraint is not a limitation. It is what makes systems reliable over time. When decision boundaries are designed clearly, systems behave predictably as conditions change. When they are not, execution speeds up while judgment disappears. That is how automation gets mistaken for agency, and why systems break later. In the longer briefing, I look at how teams design real decision boundaries and what trade-offs that requires.